Hello everyone, welcome back. We are open now, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Saturday, closed on Sundays in August for our 74th year. Today, Grandma Tanner will be making blueberry pancake muffins from our Kids in the Kitchen cookbook that Crystal Stahl, one of our neighbor ladies, made with her kids. And helping her today is Finley Tanner, her granddaughter, one of her granddaughters. Finley, what granddaughter are you? Her what?
Jill and John's.
Jill and John's. Are you her favorite granddaughter, or is Brenda?
Me.
Brenda and Finley have a little competition going on all the time about who's the favorite. And they keep coming up with ideas of why they are the favorite. So, without further much ado, we're going to send you on over here to Grandma Tanner and Finley to make these blueberry pancake muffins.
Okay. Well, this is a really nice cookbook. We are selling them in our market, and it's got pictures of every step. It's just really a fun little cookbook. So our first ingredient is going to be an egg, and when children are cracking eggs, we always crack them in another bowl just in case there's a little shell in there. So Finley, you want to crack that egg? Maybe on the table. There it is. Okay, now did you want to wipe your hands? Yeah. Okay, now she's going to dump it in this nice little bowl here and whip that up. Let that go.
Finley was showing me this old-fashioned mixer. Have you used it before at Grandma Tanner's house, Finley?
Yeah.
You like that thing? I think that's the same one we used.
No, it's an oldie. It is real old. So it's always nice to mix those eggs, whip them eggs up, and then the recipe calls for 2/3 cup water. So we'll pour that in there, and she will mix those two things together.
Now you can use an electric mixer too, can't you?
Yes. Now, next comes, you want to pour that in, the oil.
How much oil are you using?
1/4 cup.
Okay.
I'd mix that a little bit more. Okay, now comes the sugar. It's 1/2 cup of sugar. Then comes the pancake mix, and it's 2.5 cups. So instead of dumping the whole thing in there, I'll just put a little bit at a time while she's mixing it.
Now is there any, you can just, it's just instant pancake mix, add water pancake mix?
I don't know, it just says pancake mix.
So you can probably use any kind.
I think you can use, because a lot of times pancake mix has the salt and some of the, you know, like baking soda or whatever. It's getting a little thick, isn't it?
You need Grandma to hold that for you almost,
Yeah,
huh?
Here, I'll hold this like this.
And you're getting a workout on that arm. So we're filming a couple hours early today. Why are we filming early today?
because Grandma and Grandpa are going to Decatur to our other granddaughter's 13th birthday, Wayne and Betsy's girl.
Okay. Are you going, Finley?
No.
Oh, I thought you were going.
No, I have cross country.
Oh, okay.
We'll mix that up like that.
You're a good runner too, aren't you?
Oh yeah, she is a good runner.
You run with your mom and dad at all?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, you hold that.
What's your best time?
Like 18 something minutes.
How far are you running?
2 miles.
Wow. I'm lucky to do a mile in like 3 hours. I'm not a
Okay.
runner.
Now we'll try to get most of that batter off of there. Shake that off a little bit. And then our next step is to fold in 1.5 cups of blueberries. And we have lots of nice blueberries right now. We're selling them in 10-pound containers. 10-pound containers and 1.5 quarts. Okay, so now we'll scrape this all together here. And I'll pour the blueberries in there, and Finley's going to fold them in.
So folding is just turning it over, huh? Pulling it from the bottom and flipping it over?
Yep. Now you can use frozen blueberries. The only thing I'm wondering, if you use frozen, it might take a little longer to bake.
Yeah, that looks good, Finley.
Mm-hmm. So now it says it makes for 18 muffins. 18 muffins. So we made these yesterday for a trial run. Is that spoon around here somewhere? Oh, here it is. We decided that the best way is to spoon this in there. Do you want to do that, Finley?
Sure.
Let's start with these right here. You try not to get too much on the sides of them.
I wonder if you could put it in a Ziploc bag and cut a big hole on off the corner and squeeze it in.
You could. It'd have to be with the blueberries in there. Now, while she's doing that, I'm going to tell you another thing. Karen, who's in charge of our gourmet food, she says, well, Marilyn, you should have used the apple cinnamon pancake mix that we buy, or that we sell here at the orchard. And then you could have apple, blueberry, cinnamon pancakes. So I think that would give it a nice little taste. So next week, we are going to be making peach bread.
You got some muffins made back there?
We do have muffins made, and Finley got to taste one. I put them in this little thing, and overnight we think a little mouse got in there.
I think Isaiah did it, Grandma.
Oh, really?
I think Isaiah took a big bite out of that.
And then he probably saw the little note that Finley said, do not eat, it's Grandma's cooking class.
So.
But that's okay.
So that was easy and fun to do, Finn? Want to do more cooking with Grandma Tanner? You come and stay at Grandma Tanner's house quite a bit, don't you, and help her?
She likes angel food cakes.
And Finley, what else do you help Grandma Tanner with? What'd you guys help dig up and pot and
Plants.
Plants. What kind are they? Do you know?
Sedum.
Sedum, and then so you and Griffin are selling sedum here at the orchard, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have about 200 plants that they're going to be selling.
Oh, wow. So Grandma Tanner not only teaches them how to cook, she's teaching them how to plant, pot flowers and plant them. She did it with my kids too. Grandpa Tanner did melons and everything. So they've been a big part of all the grandchildren's lives, helping them out, teaching them stuff, because they have much more patience than the parents. So.
Well, and Finley came up to the house yesterday and she wanted to know what she could do, and I said, you can vacuum with that little Dyson.
Yeah.
So she ran that Dyson all around the kitchen and laundry room.
So you'll probably see Finley and Griffin running around here.
Until school starts,
yeah, until school starts, when their mom comes out and works. They are a big help. They were sweeping the goat in front of the goat pens the other day, and they did such a good job.
Yes, that's what Cindy said. They were out there cleaning and all the hay or the straw in the goat area.
So, alrighty. Well, that was Cooking with Grandma Tanner. We're doing blueberry pancake muffins out of the Kids in the Kitchen cookbook from Crystal Stahl, who's one of our neighbors here. She wrote the cookbook, and we're selling it here at the orchard for her. So come on out, and next week we'll be doing another recipe from the cookbook. I think all of August you're planning on doing one.
Crystal's two daughters are going to come and help make the peach bread next week.
Okay, well, sounds like fun. Next week, it should be at 3 o'clock unless a birthday party or something comes up again. So thanks for watching, everyone.